Hello guys. Well, I am at home with a sick kiddo, so I'm going to try to do these examples from home. Not really from home, I came in. Okay, so today we're talking about function notation, which is really all about what a function looks like when it's written out. So for example, let's say we have this function. Okay, so what this means right here, this is pronounced f of x. And this does not actually mean, I know it looks like the variable f times the variable x, but that's not what it means. It does not mean f times x. It is a label. This is a function called f, so the name is f, and it has an x in it, like it has the variable x in it. So f of x equals negative 3x plus 2. You could also write y equals negative 3x plus 2. They're the same thing. The f is just there to call it a name. You can call it Frank of x, or Fiona of x, or Fred of x. I'm running out of f names. So, for example, if the problem says that it wants you to do f of negative 4, then what that means is that you're going to plug in negative 4 in the place of x. So you're looking at this equation here, and you're going to plug in a negative 4 for x. And that's all that notation means. It doesn't mean f times negative 4. This is just a label over here. This is the label side. So that would be 12 plus 2 equals 14. Example 2. You could have f of 5 plus 8. That means I'm going to take the function f, which is right here. It's just a label. I'm going to put 5 in it, and then at the end I'm going to add 8. So I'm going to take the function negative 3 times x, but instead of x I'm going to write in 5, plus 2, and then I'm adding an 8 at the end. Negative 3 times 5 is negative 15, plus 2 plus 8. Remember, if this is going too fast for you, you can just simply stop it and catch up. So this one ends up being negative 5. And last example I'm going to do for you is what would be f of 3 minus f of 6. Okay, so f of 3 minus f of 6 would be, I'm going to take the function that has f that's called f and put 3 in it, and then I'm going to subtract the function f that has 6 in it. So first I'm going to do negative 3 times 3 plus 2, and then I'm going to subtract all of, which means I'm going to put these kind of brackets around it, negative 3 times 6 plus 2, like that. So I did the f function with 3 in it and then subtracted the f function with 6 in it. So that's negative 9 plus 2 minus, over here we've got, what, negative 18 plus 2? Negative 9 plus 2 is negative 7 minus negative 18 plus 2 is negative 16. Dash dash slash slash negative 7 plus 16 equals 9. Okay, so now we're going to try again. This time it's going to be h of x equals negative 6x squared plus 18x plus 36. Okay, you're going to try this one on your own. Let's try h of 2. Pause the video right now and try out h of 2, see if you can do it. Okay, see if you got it right. We're going to try two more examples. Example 5 will be h of 4 minus h of 1. And example 6 will be h of 5 minus 7. Hannah, if you're watching this, I would probably write down the answers to all three of these right away and give them all three problems at once before you have teams come up and show us what they know at the board. And if it goes too long, then we can always do it a different day or finish it up a different day. All right, let's see, this is -6. If you're watching this and you're a student, then you should be trying this on your own before watching me do it. I got -36. Okay. Last one would be plugging in 5 into the h function. Probably should circle those two, the functions themselves. All right, so 5 into the h function would be -6 times 5 squared plus 18 times 5 plus 36, and then minus a 7 at the end. And you should get -31. All right, this homework, which is due on Wednesday, is page 154, numbers 16 through 25.